channels. Today we are discussing about the electrical cabling work in the PV case. If you want to design a solar system efficiently and master a PV case step by step, uh, don't miss to subscribe the channels and check the playlist so you don't miss any free lessons. Wasting our time, we move on to the our today topic. Uh, Here is the option is available electrical design. Now, in the previous two lectures, in one I have explained how we design the DC strings, and then the other how we place the electrical devices, and then today I will explain how we do the cabling work. Go into these tabs. There are the three options: stringing, electrical devices, and color coding. Basically, color coding I will explain, but it is not as important because if we want to do the simple and different colors, you can use this. But cabling is very important. So I have clicked these options. They give us here is the option of the cabling, and here is the three options. Yellow. First is the select the PV area. So I have selected this area. Now select the trenches where we have to give the trenches to the DC stringing and AC cables. So here I have marked the lines, select the trenches. Okay. Now, now if you want to clear the trenches, if you want to any one DC trench, you want to unclear or check uh, deleting out from the list of the trenches. You can just clear the trenches. All the trenches will be cleared. Now, uh, again, I have selected this option, and these are the two trenches line selected. Now, here is the option of the auto DC cabling and auto AC cabling. If you select the auto, this will do the automatic, do the trenches. So here I have selected this option, select the transformer, and you can see that they have done the cabling work. Like you can see that they have done the cabling will be done through. You can see that. You can see that this is the DC cabling, and the other one is the auto AC cabling. I have selected this transformer, and it will have done this. You can see that. You can see that. Now it is automatically it has do this cabling work. You can now it is done. Now if you want to uh, give the BOQ of these trenches, go into the layout informations and layout information, select the PV area and bill of quantities. You can export Excel, export to Excel as files. Desktop, I have selected, exported. Yes. Now you can see that they have given us the different options, like how much the DC capacity, power panels, module quantity, length, filling, grading, everyone. And the filing information, I will explain in the next lectures how we do the pilings. They have shown the AC trenches cables. You can see that they have given us the 18 inverters and one by one length. And the DC, they also given us the lengths. Now you can do the cabling work, cable sizing, any other information. You can use this option. So today our lecture is about the cabling work. I have done all of you. So thank you for watching the this video. I hope I am very hopeful that tutorial will help you to understand to learn the cabling work in the PV case. Uh, don't forget to comment, share, like. Uh, if you have any question, you can uh, comments on this video. I will be happy to answer your questions. If you have not already subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and uh, check out this playlist so you don't miss any free lessons. Bye. We will meet again in the next video.